A good reader is a good speaker. Let's enhance reading skills in children through story reading. Thanks for your like. Subscribe to stay connected. It was winter. The water in the ponds and lakes was very cold. At the court, Emperor asked Birbal, "Tell me, Birbal, will a man do anything for money?" Birbal replied, "Yes." The emperor ordered, "Bring me a man who will do anything for money." The next day, Birbal came to the court along with a poor man. Birbal told the emperor, "This man will do anything for money." The emperor ordered the man to stand inside a cold pond all through the night without any clothes. If he needed money, the poor man had to do as the emperor asked. He stood in a pond all night long, shivering. He returned to the court the next day to take his reward from the emperor. The emperor asked, "Tell me, O man, how could you bear the cold all through the night?" The poor man replied, "I could see a dim, glowing light far away, and I felt warm with that ray of light." Emperor Akbar did not pay the man his reward, saying that he had got warmth from the light, and so that was cheating. The poor man could not say anything to the emperor, and so returned home sadly. Birbal tried to make the emperor understand, but the emperor did not listen to him. Then, Birbal stopped coming to the court for some days. He sent a messenger to the emperor, saying that he would come to the court only after cooking his khichdi. As Birbal did not turn up even after 5 days, the emperor himself went to Birbal's house to see what he was doing. Birbal had lit a fire and kept the pot of uncooked khichdi high above it. Emperor Akbar asked him, "How will the khichdi get cooked with the fire so far away?" Birbal replied, "It was possible for a person to get warmth from a light that was a distance away. In the same way, this khichdi will get cooked, too." Emperor Akbar understood his mistake. He called the poor man and rewarded him.